Hello everyone, good morning. I'm teacher AJ from Janmesh Academy. Today we are here at Mong Ek Swimming Pool. Right now I'm going to show you the ducky paddle. You ready? Let's go. Hello. So this is how you do the ducky paddle, okay? Squeeze your arm. Squeeze, okay? Just watch me, okay? This is how you do the ducky paddle, okay? Ducky paddle. Very good, okay. Ducky paddle. That's it. Good job! Say bye! Bye-bye!